Hi, good day. Welcome back to another session of Let's Talk Money. Yes, I know we've missed a few sessions as I was unwell. Sorry about that, guys. And I couldn't off record. My voice was terrible. But yes, we're back at it. You'll get a few breaks. But hopefully for where we're going is April, so hopefully towards May we will go back to our every Sunday release. But for now, we will have some pauses in between. Sorry about that. I know some of you look forward to these short clips for your motivation for the week. But we'll get back on track. So today I'm on because everyone is reaching out. Tax filing should be due for March 31, but it's been extended to April 10th. So persons are filing and trying and put things in order. And as you know, we have some new changes which took effect. I haven't spoken about them. So yes, I'll be speaking about them today and make it as simple as possible for you to understand. The first one is the increase in the allowance cap. As you know, it's moved from 30,000 and it's now 40,000. You need to note that certain exemptions apply. So you want to ensure that whatever you do, you're on track. The other increases that some persons are looking at and probably happy for, especially persons like me with children, with parents, we're happy because the child and education allowance has gone up. So before, you would have to figure if your child is under 10 and put in 1,000 and claim, or if it's above 10 and you claim the 2,000. If they're in university, you would be claiming 5,000. We no longer have to go through that process. So if you have a child, it's 5,000, and if your child is going to university, it's now 10,000. Remember, guys, ensure you have your statements, ensure you have your documentation if your child is going to university and you're going to claim. The other one is the dependent relative allowance. This one was pretty low. Now it's gone up to 5,000 per dependent relative maintained by you. We have a new one, and I think a lot of persons are happy for this one, which is the investment deduction. It's up to 10,000 for local and regional investments. So if last year you did invest in mutual funds or bonds, guys, go ahead, file for it. And for persons which love, our locals, we love the credit union. We love to do everything in the credit union. So before, we could have just claimed for 5,000, but now we can claim up to 10,000 of credit union shares. So you can continue loving the credit union. For medical expense, now includes fertility treatment and dependent care by a registered medical practitioner. So do it right, guys. Make sure it's a registered practitioner. And as we know, it's been announced very early in the year for the pension income for the pensioners. Qualifying pension income now tax exempted. So these are some of the new regimen. I just run through it as simple as possible and as slow as I could. But if you still have questions, as many of you do reach out to me when you do have questions, yes, I am willing. You can reach out to me and I can help you, because sometimes you get the little booklet to read it and you're still confused. That's not a problem. But yes, I think you should take advantage of these new tax regimens. Go for it. Remember that there are certain exemptions apply, so you want to make sure you do it correctly and you go for it step by step. Most of the information are there, guys. We just need to read it. Thank you once again for viewing Let's Talk Money with your financial strategist, Naomi. Sorry I've been out, but we're back and hope that you enjoyed this short clip today, reminding you to file your taxes on time before April 10th. They've extended it to April 10th, so guys, try and get it in done. And for those of you very busy, you don't have any time, you just want to provide the documents and I file the taxes for you, you know I'm there for you. So you can always book your appointment and we'll get that done. Once again, thanks for viewing. Bye. See you in the next episode.